Guys, welcome to a video. We are in sunny Morecambe. This is Morecambe Bay. We have the works van, we have Lily, we have travels with that guy, and we have Vivi van. Let's go and say hello to the boys.
Hello.
Good morning, boys. How we doing? What's your channel name?
Travels with that guy.
What's your channel name?
Vivi Van goes forth.
There we go, and we are going forth to Weatherspoon's breakfast. Let's go, guys. You go for a swim? You go for a swim? Uh-oh, dog fight. Right guys, we're back on the road again. Excuse the bin man coat. But we are now going to go to Lancaster Park and Ride because tonight at 7 o'clock is an extreme car meet, extreme BPH I think it's called. So we're going to go and have a look if we can park up with our 3 vans and then probably just hang about there. It is about 2:45 now and the meeting is about 7. So we've got the 2 vans in the front, we're in the Crafty Works van. It is exactly 9 days until we fly to a new destination. We have been back in England for 7 weeks, 7 weeks working, and we're going to go somewhere and we're not going to be back until August. So we have got 4 months out of the country, thankfully, and hopefully in the sun. Bless you.
I want to see the cars.
Wants to see the cars.
The cars. The nice cars.
Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you and good night.